straight, or that is no time. For Sierra Leone, no be smoke as the boss. Hey God. Hey, Africa. We go think say that this one ain't good, we'll put her there. Before we turn around, the person will turn bad person. We say that this one ain't good, they fight for us. Before we turn around, the person will turn bad person. I watched one video about Sierra Leone First Lady. I was so ashamed. Put the First Lady. You will put your husband for problems soon. This your toku, eh? You don't return our First Lady. You go make your husband get problem. Maybe you know if you go on that 10. Not be everything that they reply. Not be how they give you a spool. Because the way you take the talk. Some group of people come outside. Let people know how the First Lady take they spend money. And everyone knows all this girl's child. They fight for rape. All those things. Not be from our money or from the country money. Or the money they invite people, they come. They say every year, no be small money, no be small dollars. They pass millions of dollars. And they bring everything. Even get your own budget. And then the First Lady come outside. Wait till let me read this news so I be this so. You come outside say, our First Lady. Underline that statement. See whether they know how much Nigeria they budget for our First Lady. That means our First Lady, they collect money, I never know. Now tell me, now let me read this news. No, I don't read this news because of now. As they say our First Lady, they take like 20 million to 2 million to $3 million. I hear this, I was like, wow, for a year. Thank you. Wait to open our eyes, remember watch them. Every
First Lady start with Nigeria. Nigeria First Lady in budget now $12 million in budget. I don't know if you hear me, if you hear me fine. In budget now $12 million, Nigeria First Lady. Now come now every other country within the sub-region, every First Lady gets in personal budget. Personal. I don't know if you understand that word today. Personal budget. They get it. Close home here to Liberia. In budget now almost $2 million per year. 2 million. Now what is Fatima Madabio in budget? I believe say you go answer. So when you write you rubbish, now for also say, this Fatima here is really under all odds with everything. She still work. Me without that budget, the money where you they talk about, where you they say I eat in 6 months, Mister, I not touch her. Me hand not touch her. Everybody in this country knows say I launched the Hands Off Our Girl campaign. And everybody in this country knows say I do waiting no other First Lady not able for do in this country. And that is bringing another First Lady into this country. I not bring one, but bring 6 other First Ladies within the sub-region. Bring 2 foreign ministry within the sub-region. Bring the deputy head of ECOWAS and bring the deputy head of the AU in the whole of Africa, inside Sierra Leone, for come launch the Hands Off Our Girl campaign. Now, would you feel say go pay the bill? When you want to let the world know who you are, when you want to let the world know what your country stand for, when you want to let the world know, say yes, you young government and the country where you dey under, the president where you dey under, that president he believe in gender equality.
This country, we are not going anywhere. This continent, Africa. Your problem is not the white. Forget your foolish history where they put for there. Your problem is just this, your leader. They get divinity because of party. This party, APC and the other rest, now be the problem. Your problem not be on other people, not be the white, not be they deceive you, not be anybody, not just this party. Because anyone where they come, not to favor their party, not to favor you. You dey there now see what you now they talk. Yeah, you get right. So how much the First Lady for Sierra Leone could take? Nigeria is 288, 80 something, or 208 million people. Sierra Leone, even on our alphabet, plenty past the country, on our be just 7 point something to 8 million people. You want use us to compare, and our natural resources pass on our own. You understand? You know where they go now? This life, put your country first. Not the way you would it so. The way the first lady the son, come like I get the country. Now I married the man, the man marry. I know even hear from the president. This one I'm waiting cause problem for Goodluck Jonathan. Are you yet to? Oh yeah, continue. The blood of the innocent, yeah, Sherry Branu. Now I make Goodluck Jonathan come out. So anybody wait there for Sierra Leone, wait there the government. If you not tell this una first lady to, he go put everybody for problem. We'll go straight to the